Hi everyone. Okay, I'm bringing you this video because some people like the Z-Wide brushes, but they also like the little matte caps on their Zoya bottles. So I'm going to show you how you can just change the brush out of this cap pretty easily. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to wipe as much of the polish off of the brush as I can. Then I've got some little paper towel squares that have, I put acetone on them. And now I'm just going to wipe off the brush. And then I stick it down in here to get all of the polish out of the cap. Sometimes you have to do this step a couple of times to get all of the polish out of the cap. With new polishes that you haven't used yet, this is less likely that there's a lot of polish in there, but if the polishes have been shaken up a lot and used, there could be quite a bit of polish that needs to come out. Okay. Next thing, you can try pulling on it. I find that these are, because they've already been in the bottle, are stuck in there pretty darn good. So I've got some, oh, all right, this one came out. So this helps if you have some tweezers to, or pliers to do that. Okay, a day later, I figured out an easier way of getting these caps off. Just pull them off with the thing right in the bottle, with the brush right in the bottle, and they come off really easy. No, not this one. Oh, there it goes. They come off pretty easy, and then you can take this out and wipe it, and then I'll show you putting in the new brush right now. And then just going to open up your new Z-Wide brush. Now these haven't been pushed into a bottle, so these are really easy to release. Just going to stick that back in. You're going to push in there as far as you can. It's okay if it doesn't go in all the way. Then you're going to put your Z-Wide brush in the polish bottle. You're going to screw it on, and then you're going to push it down. There. That one doesn't, yeah, this one's not coming down as far. I don't know why. Okay, there we go. So that's all you have to do, is just give it a really good push down. Now you're going to wait 5 minutes before you can use this polish, because there's like sticky, I don't know, the polish brushes are stiff, and it does not say on the Zoya website to use acetone to remove that. It just says stick it in the bottle and wait 5 minutes and then use it. So while we're waiting for that, we're just going to stick that back in there. It doesn't matter if it's stuck in there all the way. And then I put it back in the box, and I usually label it with the name on the outside of the box. So I already made labels for the names of all my polishes, because I'm going to want to replace the bottles. So I put that on there like that. The brushes, when you get 12 of them, they come in a little box like this. If you stand them up vertically, you can get 16 in a box, and I just put them in alphabetically. I do like to keep these because these are fine precision brushes, and they are really nice for nail art. To do straight lines and get inside like little bitty designs. So I do like to keep these on hand, because I've had polishes that have come with wide brushes, and I was trying to do a certain nail art look, and it was really, really difficult. So I'm really kind of excited that I get, you know, both brushes, and this is pretty compact to store like this. Then after 5 minutes, just give your polish a good shake. And you're ready to start using your new Z-Wide brush. I especially like these brushes with thinner formulas that can be a little streaky. Yeah, because it applies it a little better, and with these, there we go, and with these matte polishes, because you get more evenly distributed. And then you just twist it back down and it goes all the way down. So that looks really great. It's got no brush strokes. This is amazing. The reason you're seeing that this part is lighter is because the little holder is off this way, and so you're seeing that. While we're at it, let's just add a second coat. Oh my gosh, I really like how this works. And there is 2 coats. It looks perfect. So that concludes this video on how to keep your matte caps and change out your thin brushes to your Z-wide brushes. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not one of my subscribers, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.